Welcome to Codifix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video, we have shared how NameError. Name function name is not defined. The name error in Python is raised when a variable or function name is used that has not been defined in the current scope. Here is an example of a name error when trying to call a function that has not been defined. When you run this code, you find this kind of error. In this example, we're trying to call the function name, but it hasn't been defined anywhere in the current scope. To fix this error, we need to define the function first before we can call it. Here's an example of how to define and call a function properly. Let's run this code. Here are the results. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos.